Nobody knows what's really inside a bottle of Coca-Cola. Or do they? For over a century, this famous drink has inspired rumors, copycats, and conspiracy theories, all because of one thing: its secret formula. Behind the glass bottle, behind the red label, lies one of the greatest mysteries in business and food history. Today, we're diving deep into the story of how a simple syrup from Atlanta became a global obsession, and why no one truly knows what's in it. It all began in 1886 in a small pharmacy on Peachtree Street in Atlanta, Georgia. A pharmacist named John Stith Pemberton, wounded in the Civil War, was searching for relief from chronic pain. He began experimenting with herbs, caffeine, and cola nuts, popular natural stimulants at the time. One day, he mixed a caramel-colored syrup with carbonated water, and the customers loved it instantly. They said it gave them energy, lifted their mood, and tasted like nothing they'd ever had before. Pemberton's assistant, Frank Robinson, came up with the name Coca-Cola and handwrote the logo that's still used today. At first, Coca-Cola was sold as a medicine, a brain tonic for fatigue, headaches, and even addiction. But after Pemberton's death, the business changed hands to Asa Candler, a savvy entrepreneur who saw the drink's true potential. Candler bought the formula, aggressively marketed it, and turned Coca-Cola into a national phenomenon. By the turn of the century, people were addicted, not just to the taste, but to the mystery of what was inside. Even then, only a few people were allowed to see the recipe, and it was said to be locked in a vault. Coca-Cola's most powerful myth began in the early 1900s, the story of the 7X flavor formula. According to company lore, it contains 7 secret ingredients, essential oils and flavorings that create Coke's signature taste. The exact list? Unknown. Rumors suggest orange oil, cinnamon, nutmeg, coriander, and vanilla, but no one's ever confirmed it. Only a handful of executives are said to know the formula, and they're forbidden to travel together. Today, a symbolic vault in Atlanta holds what Coca-Cola claims is the original handwritten recipe. Visitors can see the vault door, but not what's inside. The company turned secrecy into an attraction, transforming curiosity into a marketing superpower. Over the years, scientists, historians, and soda fanatics have tried to reverse engineer the drink. In 2011, a supposed copy of the formula appeared online, showing ingredients like lime oil, cinnamon, neroli, and nutmeg. Coca-Cola neither confirmed nor denied it. Chemists who've studied the drink agree on one thing: it's nearly impossible to replicate. Not because of the ingredients, but because of how they interact. The ratios, the syrup temperature, the carbonation level, even the mineral content of the water. It's a recipe built on chemistry, nostalgia, and emotion all at once. By the mid-20th century, Coca-Cola had become more than a beverage. It was a cultural symbol. During World War II, the company promised every American soldier a Coke, no matter where they were stationed. That decision helped spread the drink across the globe. Soon, Coca-Cola represented home, comfort, and American identity. Its presence in every corner of the world, from tiny villages to Olympic stadiums, made it one of the most recognizable brands ever created. And all along, the mystery of its formula kept people fascinated. Why does this story still captivate us? Because humans are wired to crave secrets. The idea that something so ordinary, a fizzy drink, could hold an unsolved mystery makes it irresistible. Coca-Cola mastered the art of curiosity marketing before the term even existed. The company didn't just sell flavor, it sold an experience, a feeling, and a sense of wonder. Every sip became a connection to something hidden, something you could never quite define. So, what's really inside Coca-Cola? Chemically speaking, we can guess. But emotionally, it's much harder to explain. Because Coca-Cola's most powerful ingredient has never been sugar, caffeine, or citrus oils. It's mystery. A mystery that turned a 19th century soda into a modern legend. And maybe that's the real secret after all. Follow at Fork and Lore for more hidden histories behind the foods and drinks you love.